All right, what up, y'all? So my friend behind me here, he's got an awesome idea for a custom computer desk. It's got a cutout so you like slide up in there. We're gonna go to the hardware store and we're gonna get the stuff we need to get it done. So let's get started, guys. Legs. Oh man, you gotta love these prices. Top. Y'all see what we're gonna do with this. Bottom. That's gonna be the bottom of the desk. Man, this wood is not cheap right now. 81 bucks for a sheet of plywood. All right, let's get back to the shop. Last board in, let's go. I see the muscle man, lift it up. Dude, you're gonna blow your back out. Balance it, balance it, balance it. Let's get it.
I can just hold it.
No, balance it up. No, balance it how you had it before. Show me how you had it before. Dude, you're gonna kill yourself. Hold on, show me how you had it before.
Like this?
Yeah, how are you doing that? All right, set it down, don't hurt yourself.
Right here. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. All right, guys, so here's what we're actually doing. We got a bunch of rubbing alcohol there. This dye, it's a wood dye we got off of Amazon. It's called Cutout dye. And then we got a Harbor Freight torch here, weed burning torch. And we have 2 pieces of plywood here, and you can see the grain pattern on it is awesome. It's got like a giant eyeball in the center. But basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here and we're gonna torch the whole thing, and then we're gonna dye it purple with that dye. But you can see right here where I tested it on the sample piece with this thing, and it looks awesome. So it's gonna be like that, but purple, and we're gonna have to mix this stuff up. I think it's like 8 ounces of rubbing alcohol to a certain amount of the powder for the dye, and this is gonna be way too much. But it's gonna be awesome, guys. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so you see the point of cutting the semicircle here is because it like goes around you, right? It like engulfs you. So you're sitting here like this, and your elbows and arms are on the table, so it's much more comfortable. That was his whole design. So we're gonna finish this thing up, but of course you're gonna be like this, you know, and then you can be out or in depending on how you wanna be. But basically the chair is gonna slide under the table, and then it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be awesome. All right, we're going with purple. That looks awesome. We did this last night, And we put purple, we dyed it purple, and then we put polyurethane on it and let it dry today to see what it looked like. And man, that looks so cool. We got the dyes all mixed up. So we're going with purple. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. All right, let's get some dye on here. All right, enough playtime. I think it's mixed well enough, dude. Let's get back to work. High gloss. Y'all ready for the reveal? Check it out. All right guys, so that's it for the video. The desk looks great, it functions great. We kind of wanted it a little bit more purple, but you know how it goes when you stain or dye wood. It doesn't always come out how you have it in your mind. But depending on how the light hits this thing, it's like mahogany, it's red, it's purple, it's got some blue streaks through it. You know, just depending on how the light hits it, it looks crazy. So I'll check y'all out on the next one. Peace.